And here's a video of test 3, and we're doing a little experiment here. We let the burn run way down, and then we put a little bit of kindling in it. And it's really windy out, so we're letting it see if it will ignite, and lo and behold, right as I had the video, how fortuitous, it ignited. Now we have changed the burn chamber ratio. It is now, I can't remember what it is. I'll have to measure it later on and post that. But the burn chamber is a little bit wider. And last night when we did the test number 3, we actually were shorter in the length of the burn chamber. Now we are at about 15.5 inches long in the burn chamber, and then the heat riser is just over 27 inches tall. It's a little bit short, but we're out of brick, fire brick, because the folks who sent it to us broke some of it, so we're waiting for the replacements to come in. So that heat riser will be double the burn chamber in order to get the best draw. Now, in this configuration, I also added an opening down here at the bottom for some draft pull air, whatever you want to call it, to get it lit. And when it's all lit, I just shove this little brick in front of it, and then it just draws the air from the top down into the burn chamber. It seems to draw really fast when it needs to light, and then when you don't need it, you just cover it up. So this seems to be a fairly successful test, with the exception of the length of the burn chamber. I think it either needs to be shorter, or the heat riser definitely needs to be taller. At the top, we're getting some good heat, but not quite as hot as it was last night. It's enough to char this piece of wood that we have on top, but it's definitely not as warm as it was last night. So it's not as efficient burning today, not as hot, so that needs some work. We'll have to kind of tinker with that a bit to figure out what we're going to do. As far as the burn is concerned, it's still not roaring sideways enough with this configuration, so we're going to have to tinker with it a bit. Thanks for watching.